So, on my book, The Why the Whales Came, from a school book, I have decided to make a narwhal horn with my dad's old garden hoe that he doesn't use anymore. Yeah, I am going to use, Bella, can you stop? I'm going to use this loo roll. Yeah, I'm going to use loo roll to make the narwhal tusk out of the thing. I'm going to use the gun hoe and I'm going to wrap the loo roll all around it to make like a rough look, and I'm going to do it anti-clockwise because the narwhal tooth is always anti-clockwise. And the gun hoe is about 8.5 feet, not 9 feet exactly. And I will be dropping in a few useful facts about a narwhal horn as we do the project. A narwhal horn is not actually a horn, it's a tooth. And this is my narwhal tooth. It's about 9 foot long. And here comes the loo roll. Here we go. Ow, Bella. Oh, stupid. This is harder than it looks. There is one other fact that the Narwhal, a tribe, are the only ones in the world that are allowed to actually kill narwhals. 5 minutes to go. What if I run out of loo roll? Haha! My narwhal tooth. Thank you. I deserve applause. And this is my narwhal horn.